I'm going to show you how to generate data you can use for data analysis. Let's get started. So if we go into a site called makaru.com, you're going to get the homepage is going to have just some basic data. So first name, last name, email, gender, that sort of thing. However, what we're going to do is change this and give us maybe more interesting data that we can work with. So for example, let's imagine I'm interested in sales data. And I want to know what it looks like. They actually have an AI tool for generating data. So let's go in there and try this. So I'm going to click on that. And then instead of that, I'm just going to type in sales data. I'll say replace existing fields. It's going to take some time to load. And once it loads, you're going to see that it's going to give us data that relates to sales. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, we now have information that relates to sales. If you want to see what this looks like, then you can click on, there should be a preview button. There we go, preview, just that. And now you can see what the table looks like. As you can see, we have the customer ID, name, purchase date, that sort of thing. This is the sort of information you might have for sales data. And now that you have this information, you can then go into other tools like Excel or Tableau or Power BI, and then use those to analyze this data. That way you can practice your data analysis skills. Hope that helps you. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.